At first, click on this plus icon. Then select your expected picture. Press enter. For upload here the image. Now, type here, /imagine. Then tap on promote. Tap on your picture. Then, copy image address link. Paste here the link, then give a space. After that type here your expected command. Done. See, your image created perfectly, as your command. But, when you try to save specific one image separately, you can't. Now, choose a image, which one you want to save. As example, you want to save third one, so that, tap on U3 option. Boom. Now, you can save it at full resolution, without losing quality. And by this way, you can save any image of mid-journey, without losing quality. You have not to crop anymore.